have different ways to get or generate data entry form in Excel. By using macros, we can create data entry forms. The second form option is built-in form option. In MS Excel, we can use this option and can create forms as we like, and can enter the data in the data form. In back-end, this form's data will go to MS Excel sheet. Form option is not available in the main ribbon. We can get this option by following these steps. Go to F and choose Form option from the drop-down box. So in this way, you can get Forms option from the Excel, which is built-in option of MS Excel. It is Excel and automated form option. You can see, as I have entered the data, and as I press the new button, all the data has exported to Excel sheet. you can see, as new data has been entered in this form, and as new is pressed, data goes to Excel sheet. So in this way we can create data entry form as per our requirements. So all fields we can add in this form as per our requirements. You can see as how many fields I have shown in this Excel sheet. Same fields this form is showing. So we can add and remove the fields as per our requirements through this data entry form. In this data entry form, all the old information we can see by scrolling the button up and down. If by mistake any change has happened, by pressing Restore button, we can correct our record, and also we can delete any record by pressing Delete button if we required. It is an easy way to create data entry form. It is a built-in option of the Excel. No need to create separately data entry form with the help of macros. So in this way we can create data entry form and can get data from our database. Thanks for watching.